Do you want to learn this type of typography effect using Canva? Follow me. Just drag and drop the image, go to Apps option, and search for Typecraft. Next, type your text, select the font as Anton. Then change the color to white. And adjust the text shape as you want, and click on Add Element to Design button. Keep on adjusting the shape and update it as I'm doing on my screen till it fits the banana. Now duplicate the first page and become second page. Go to Elements and select the square shape, resize it, and change the color of the shape to black. And next you delete the banana from the background. Right-click on the square shape and click on Layer and select Send to Back option. Download the second page as PNG image. Next, upload the downloaded image and come to the first page and delete the banana text. Then select the new uploaded image and click on BG Remover to remove the background and then resize it. Next, keeping it selected, click on Edit option and go down and select Duotone Cherry and change the colors to white. Now crop the picture from the left and right side. You can also change the color of outlines and layout of the image by clicking on Color options. Congratulations, your banana typography is ready.